Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today we're going to be helping out Dr. Cutter, and I encourage you guys to check out his channel. He's doing some really cool stuff over there with an XL101 home light. So that's the Chainsaw Hospital. So he asked me to help him out. His operating table is actually inside of this shipping container, and there's a couple of things in the way to get to him, and he asked if he could use the equipment, and I told him I just didn't trust him enough to use that stuff. So anyways, I told him, don't worry about it, you know, you're my neighbor and I want to help you out. So here we go. So we're gonna get this table out of here and see if we can get it over to the Chainsaw Hospital and get it installed. So here's the operating table, this stainless table right here with all this other stuff inside of there. So I'm also going to take this wooden table that's up top here. That's got a few things on it too that needs to come off. But this is on wheels, so I'm going to try to roll this table out of here to try to unload this stuff and pile it up back there a little bit further. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that. So there you go, we got the table in there. Dr. Cutter, I'm sure, will be more than thrilled to have all this stuff in place. Alright guys, well there you have it. Dr. Cutter is halfway set up here. I think he's really going to enjoy this. So yeah, let's call it a day because it is hot out here. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.